Hi everyone, I'm Daniela, and today we're making whipped butter. Whipped butter is different from normal butter in that once you put it in the fridge, you can still spread it. It's really popular in Scandinavian countries, especially at breakfast time. I'm going to show you how to make it at home and give you a few tips to make it your own.
To our bowl goes 227 grams, that's 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter, and 60 milliliters, 1/4 cup of milk. If you want to be really traditional, substitute the milk for skyr yogurt. Or you could use Greek yogurt, in a pinch. If you're using a stand mixer, make sure to use your whisk attachment.
You'll need a mechanical kitchen tool for this, some sort of hand mixer or a stand mixer, in order to really get the air into that butter. You could do it by hand, but it's going to take you a long time.
If your kitchen is a little cold like mine is, you may need to give the whisk and the bowl a scrape. You'll find it's clumping together because we're mixing it at a very slow speed, but this allows the milk to start to incorporate into the butter without splashing all over your counter.
You'll need to whip this on low for 1 minute to allow the milk or yogurt to incorporate with the butter, and then crank up the speed to high for 3 minutes to really incorporate that lightness and air.
About halfway through, I like to scrape down my bowl to make sure everything's getting nice and aerated. It's not ready yet, there's still a few yellow bits left.
Now is a great time to add in any seasonings. I've used salted butter, so I'm going to leave mine just as it is. But you could make yours your own by adding in cinnamon and honey or a bit of nutmeg, or why not make it savory by adding in some garlic and herbs? Choose whatever spice you love and go ahead and give it a try.
Continue whisking on high for the remaining 1.5 minutes until your butter is creamy and white. We've incorporated so much air into this, and the milk will actually help it stay a little bit soft in the fridge, so it makes it much easier to spread. And now your whipped butter is ready. If you're enjoying this breakfast in a Scandinavian cafe, they'll just smear the butter right on your plate, like this. But I like to spread mine on my bread bit by bit with a little bit of jam and a sprinkling of sea salt so that I get the perfect bite every time. This is my new favorite way to enjoy butter, and I think whipped butter looks so impressive on any breakfast table.
If you're looking for another whipped condiment, try my whipped honey recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.